Play-Doh. Okay. Squeeze the Play-Doh. David. We got 10 minutes more. 10 minutes. Ten minutes, son. 10 minutes and all done. Sit down here. What? Come here. 10 minutes and all done. 10 minutes. You're okay. You're okay. Let's go. You can do it. Give me your Play-Doh. Give me. Okay. Here. Sit down. Sit. You can do it. Okay. Put in red. Okay. You can do it. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Next, David. Next. You have 10 minutes. You can do it, son. Alright. Next. Next, David. Blue. Uh-oh. Here. Blue. Blue. Here. Blue. Okay. Next. Yellow. Here. Here, David. Here. Yellow. 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 Yes. Next. Purple. Here. Here. Purple. Purple. You can do it. Here. Here, son. Purple. Okay. Next. Green. 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 Here. Here. Green. Good job. Next time. Your favorite. Put on. Okay. Put on. Your turn. Put on. Put on. You can do it. Put on. Put on. Okay, you can do it, son. Put on. Okay, next. Next. Next, David. Alright. Okay, son. Next. Next. Okay. Put on. You can do it. You can do it. Yoo-hoo! Okay, now take off and put in. Take off. Take off. Put in. Okay, good job. Take off. Put in. Good job. Take off. Put in. Put in. Good job. We're not yet done. We're still out. You can do it. What we will do is, you will, I will get you. We're not yet done. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet, son. Not yet. You're fun. You're fun. Not yet, okay. I know it's new, okay. Yellow. Put in. Son. You can do it. Put in. Yellow. Put in. Alright, next. Blue. Put in. Put in. Okay. I know. You can do it. Okay, put in yellow. Yellow. Blue. Alright. Wait, son. Wait. Your favorite. Your favorite. Okay. Yellow. Put in yellow. Put on yellow. You can do it. Put on yellow. Put on yellow. Oh. Next. Yellow. Alright. Next is this one. This is color gray. You can do it, son. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5. Next. The small one. This one. Let's do this, okay? 1. You can do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. David. Good job. Okay. Oh, this one. Twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yoo-hoo! Straight line, David. Go, you can do it. Woo-hoo! You can do it. You can do it. Good job, David. You can do it. David, activity time first and then play that, okay? We can do this. We can do it. Yoo-hoo! Good job, David. Yes, yeah. 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 Good. Next. This is trace a line from each fish to each matching picture. Good job, David. Go, David, go. You can do it, David. You will trace the line, son. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, David. Okay, next. Whoa. I need to find this. Okay, give me that marker and then green. You can do it, son. You can do it. Next. Okay, put on green. Put on green. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You will hold like this. Okay. Next, David. You can do it. Okay. Next. You're so smart, David. Touch. You're okay. Not yet done. We have 2 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes. Alright. We need to put on, okay? Like this. Put on, David. Put on. Good job. Next. Put on orange. Good job. Put on red. Good job. Now take off. Take off and put in. Good job. Take off orange. Take off. I will help you take off. Okay. Put in. Okay. You can do it. Put in. You can do it, son. Woo! Good job. Okay. Put in. Okay. Blue. Put in. Woo-hoo! Good job. You can do it, David. What is happening? What is happening? Alright, son. 2 minutes. Let's see. I know you can do it. 2 minutes more. Okay. Yeah. Put on. Put on. Good job, David. Put on. Alright. Put on. Last one. Okay. Okay, David. Green. Hey, red. Sorry, red. Red. Good job, David. Red. Next. Blue. Yellow. Purple. Green. You're okay. You're okay, green. Alright, David, wait. We will color. We will draw. Let's draw a ball. Okay, let's draw a ball. This is, we will circle. And then this one, the curved line. And this is a ball. Okay, let's spell ball. B-A-L-L. Well, yay! Woo! Good job, David. Oh my God, you can sit in 10 minutes. Good job, David. Good job.